Forecast Pro TRAC version 8 has enhanced the collaboration process within your Forecast Pro project. Historically, Forecast Pro users have had the option of collaborating through the Excel collaboration module, which allows for seamless integration of Excel spreadsheets into Forecast Pro. However, in Forecast Pro TRAC version 8, users are able to collaborate through the project collaboration functionality. Whether utilizing the Excel collaboration module or the brand new project collaboration functionality, either approach makes it simple to divvy up large forecasting projects into more manageable child spreadsheets or projects that can be worked on independently and then consolidated for a holistic view of your business. Collaborating via Excel collaboration is ideal for sales and operations planning, making it quick and easy to get input from sales and other key stakeholders throughout your forecasting process without them having to learn Forecast Pro. They can seamlessly view forecasts and make adjustments in Excel and easily load their changes back into Forecast Pro. Unlike Forecast Pro's Excel-based collaboration, which is limited to viewing forecasts and making overrides, project-based collaboration affords you complete access to all Forecast Pro functionality, including forecasting, reporting, graphing, and much more. By utilizing the project collaboration functionality, users have the ability to break down larger projects into smaller child projects, which provides a smoother collaborative effort from all Forecast Pro users. Individual users have access independent of one another's projects to make changes, view reports, and export their forecasts on their own time. Users of Forecast Pro TRAC version 8 have the opportunity to collaborate seamlessly within Excel spreadsheets via the Excel collaboration module, or they can collaborate through the new project collaboration functionality. Enhanced project collaboration is now available in Forecast Pro TRAC version 8. To learn more, contact us today.